So this World Backup Day, I want to talk about the importance of data backup. Now, I'm somebody who talks about data, whether it's data companies, whether it's data providers, your software companies, your hardware companies. And as your trusted tech guru, I want to tell you the importance of data backup. Now, I have a habit of backing up my data each week, and then it transformed into twice a week because the kind of data we are producing, capturing, and backing up has increased many folds. Now we're talking about terabytes. The phones are in terabytes. The cameras have 200 megapixels now. So each photo size, each 8K video that you shoot needs more space. Well, how much space can you buy online? I mean, we all use cloud services like iCloud, G Drive, Outlook Drive, and OneDrive and whatnot. But how much data can you save online, and how much would you pay for it, right? And I always talk about the importance of having your data on yourself, back up your data on your drive so that you have a physical form of your data and it's not just on the cloud. And this World Backup Day, I would request all of you to do the same. So how to go about it? There are many forms of data backup that you can do. Like I mentioned, it can be cloud backup, a personal hard drive backup, or SSD. Well, the importance of personal hard drive data is that it's always with you and you can do it on the fly. You don't need internet for it. You don't have to wait for better connectivity or good connectivity to upload or download. You always have it with you on a drive. So talking about drive data backup, I'm going to talk about the drives that I've been using since I started using computers, and that's way back 20-25 years of backing up data. I'm going to talk about the importance of hard drive data backup. And when I talk about hard drive data backup, nothing else comes to my mind other than WD My Passport HDD, because I've been using it in different variations, different generations, and it's always been my side. So my recommendation has always been WD My Passport HDD. This portable hard drive is something that I always recommend. This is its latest iteration. It's 1 terabyte, comes with 3 years of warranty. You get your backup safeguards, you get your password protection. So you can also get this up to 5 terabytes. The amount of data we are creating nowadays, I would recommend like going up to 5 terabytes of data. So I'll quickly unbox it for you and show you how it looks like and why I absolutely trust this drive. Very simple packaging. Just open the box and the drive and the cable is right there with the documentation. Look at this. This is a 1 terabyte hard drive. Does it look like it? It's so slim. So portable, and that's why I prefer WD My Passport HDD. This is the documentation, and then the cable from USB in your computer, USB-A port, and then to the HDD. So you simply plug it in. So this goes in your hard drive, this goes in your PC, Mac, or any other device that is USB-A compatible. That's it. You have your data backup software. You can do it manually. You can create folders. It works with PC and Mac. So no limitations at all. So WD My Passport HDD has been my go-to device for backup to ensure all my data, photos, videos, music, movies, everything is stored on my WD My Passport HDD. So it comes in ultra slim form factor and offers you up to 5 TB of storage. The problem with data backup is the procrastination that comes along with, every day we're thinking, okay, we'll do the data backup tomorrow, we'll plug in the drive, okay, who will select the folders, who will select all those photos. And that's what is the problem with most of the hard drives. They don't offer a software. WD My Passport HDD comes with software that automatically does back up your data, whether you set it to daily, you set it to weekly, you set it to hourly, it's up to you. It does it all automatically. So you don't have to worry about data backup at all. And the best of all, it's a plug and play device. All you need to do is plug it in the USB cable on your Mac or PC and voila, the data backup starts automatically. You don't have to worry about anything. And that makes a lot of sense because a lot of people are always worrying about how to make that data backup. Well, WD does it all for you. Well, while the WD My Passport HDD is a perfect backup device for all, but there are people who need more speed. For those people, WD has the My Passport SSD. This is the 500 GB variant with me, but you can buy it up to 4 terabytes. And in the future, sky's the limit for data backup drives. For now, I'll just show it to you how it looks like and also the set of features it offers. First of all, this is also a plug and play device. So all you need to do is connect it to your USB, whether it's your PC or Mac, and you're all set. Now look at this. does it even look like a SSD? It's so small, it's like a credit card size drive, and it's so light because there's no spindle movement. It's not a hard drive, it's like a chip inside, and that does it all. Looks really, really nice, and the gold color is so unique. It stands out. It doesn't even look like a SSD to me. It looks like a fashion accessory, to be honest. And underneath that is the documentation and a brilliant cable. This cable offers both USB type A and type C, a very well made cable, I would say. So if your Mac only supports type C, well, you have type C port here, but if you need a connector, just connect it and becomes a type A port. So type A to type C, otherwise it's like a type C to type C cable. So SSDs or solid state drives are for people who need higher speed. You'll be happy to know this offers 1050 MB per second of speed, which is great for data backups, and it also offers 5 years of warranty. And apart from that, you also get AES encryption for your safety and also password protect this drive. Or you can use the My Passport SSD for faster data backups. But there are people who need even more, who are extreme, who need adventure, who are people who are always on the go and need a drive that can secure their data even if it falls in water or drops. So for that, we have the SanDisk Extreme Pro Portable SSD. Now this is, as the name suggests, an extreme SSD and offers extreme features. First, let me show you, because an extreme drive, right? Everybody wants to see it first. So this is how it looks like. You also get a very sturdy hook so that you can hang it to your bag or tie it to something, because it's an extreme drive and it's for people who are into adventure sports, who are into action photography, who are into wildlife photography, and they don't know what will happen next. Like, you might drop the drive, but it still keeps working because this is the Extreme Pro. So this is the 1 TB variant. Underneath you get the documentation for this, and again a cable for your USB type A to type C, and also a type C to type C cable. So both the cables are included in the packaging. So in terms of features, it's again very lightweight, fast, extremely fast, and rugged. As you can see, it's rubberized, it has metal cladding all over, very strong metal inside to hang it. So what we have is a 1 TB variant, but you can buy it up to 4 terabytes. Yes, this size for a 4 terabyte SSD. So when I say it is for people who are into adventure, action, and on the go, you have to know that this comes with IP55 water and dust resistance, so you're not worried at all. Talking about the speed, this is extreme level speed on this drive. It offers 2000 MB per second. That's really, really fast for a data drive. So in the end, I want to reiterate the importance of data backup. Whether you are a content creator, a business person, a service guy, whosoever you are, the importance of data is immense. Everything we do nowadays is captured on our phones. We are saving our bank data, we are saving all the transactions. There is so much of information on our phones, our laptops, our tablets. It's really, really important to back up our data daily. And with drives like this, which are supporting USB Type-C, you can back up your Type-C phones, your tablets like the iPad or any tablet that offers Type-C port, your Mac, your Windows. So all of your devices are backed up and always safe. Again, I would say it's good to have cloud backup, but it's more important to have a backup on storage with you all the time. That's it for today. Thanks for watching the Unbiased Vlog. If you have any questions, any feedback, do let us know. I'll be more than happy to suggest you your perfect storage solution in the comment section below. Thank you.